Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can record your computer screen easily. Here you can see I am using OBS Studio, so you can actually download it, and we have bunch of different free software. You can actually go with them. So let me show you one by one. So to download OBS, you have to type here OBS and then go for the download. Here you can see, and then here you can find three operating system. Here you can see the Windows, Mac OS and Linux. So if you are from Linux, you can actually download it through the command line. Command line. Okay. And then for the Windows, you just have to click here, that's it, and then go for the download installer. Click here and it will actually start downloading. I have already downloaded and installed it, so I'm going to go show you the settings. Here you can see you have to open it, and then you have to go to the settings. Here you can see, and then you have to change little changes. You have to change something here to get the targeted output actually you want to get. And here you can see streaming and recording. According to your need, you can actually choose. So yeah, for the recording, you can select the recording path. Here you can see you just have to go for the browse. I cannot actually select it because now I am currently recording this through OBS, so yeah, it will not allow me to do this. And here you can see recording quality, high quality, medium file size. You can select this, just copy this. Okay, recording format, you should keep it .mp4. it will be something else like .mv or something else. Actually I can't remember, I forgot. Okay, so video encoder should be your software. Okay, and if you have high graphics card, you can go with HNVC. Okay, hardware and VIC. Okay, then audio encoder, you have to select like this. All the things is done here now. All the things are done here now. Let's say you want to do streaming. So here you can see we have to play with bitrate. Let's say at first you have to check your internet connection. So to check the connection, you can go to the fast.com to check the real speed of your internet. Here you can see we have here 6.7 Mbps almost, and you can know the upload speed. So the most important thing is upload speed. You can actually find search here upload speed test, and you will find it. Test my net. Okay, so yeah, test my upload speed. So you can click here and it will show you the real upload speed of your service. So here you can see it's almost 2 MB, right? Yeah, 5 Mbps. So this is not really 5 Mbps. You have to divide it by 8. Let's say I'm going to go to the calculator, and here I will say 5.4 divided by 8, and this is the upload speed, real upload speed. Okay, so my upload speed is 675 kbps. Okay, so this is fake. You have to divide it by 8, and then you will find the real upload speed. Okay, so now I will actually go here and I will say, okay, so my upload speed is kind of what, 600, right? Almost. So I have to give here bitrate. Let's say if you are a beginner, if you just started streaming for a few days, so you should go with a little bit video bitrate, because nobody actually going to see your live. So yeah, maybe you can go with the 260, 600. Okay, 2600 kbps, and then audio bitrate is okay. And video encoder, if you use hardware NVIC, and if you have graphics card, then you can actually go with it. Okay, NVIC as I mentioned earlier. And here you can see good quality. Okay, fine, this is good. That's it. If you want something advanced, you can actually go with advanced, but I cannot show you right now because I am recording this by OBS. Okay, so you just have to apply it, and then okay, I will not do this because it will change everything. So yeah, now let's go for the audio. Here you can see desktop audio 2. So you can actually use multiple let's say microphone or speakers. Here you can see desktop audio, it means it's speaker, and we have desktop audio 2. So 2 desktop audio output. You can use 2 speakers, okay, to get, I mean, to hear the sound. And we have a 4 option here for the mic. So you can select the default one. For me, I'm using Razer Mini, here you can see. So I can actually select it here, or I will actually keep it default because my microphone is only one microphone. So yeah, it's default, and default is microphone Razer Mini, okay. So I don't have to actually select. Let's say you have multiple microphones, so you can actually select any of these, okay. So you just have to select all of them individually, okay. That's it, and then click apply, done. Now let's go for the video. Now this is the main important part. It's depends on your monitor, okay. So according to your monitor, you check your monitor resolution through display settings. Here you can see it's recommended, and here you can see I have 144 Hz PC, I mean monitor, and here you can see this is the highest resolution for my PC. So I can actually use here this resolution, and then frame FPS, okay. So you should keep your FPS in between 30 to 60, okay. So I will suggest you to keep it 30, and that's it. Now select OK, and everything is done here. And for the advanced, you can actually go with high. I will actually keep it normal, and for me, okay, that's it, done. You can actually change theme also, here you can see, and then click OK. It will actually apply. Now let's go for other software. Here you can see I have downloaded CapCut. So you can actually double click on CapCut, and you can record through CapCut also. This is a new feature from CapCut. We can edit from using CapCut, but they have offered us a new system, and that is recording system. We can actually record through it. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. Here you can see record screen. So you have to click here, and then you have to click any of the place in your screen, computer screen, and then select the ratio. I mean, from where actually you want to record. Let's say I want to record from here to here. So I can actually say it, and then I can select the microphone. I can actually mute it and unmute it, so no problem. And then I can turn on the camera, and yeah, then I will actually, if I click here start recording, it will actually start recording. But let's say so let's say I want to go to the settings, and actually I want to change the location. So every single time you have to, when you the recording will be complete, you should download it, okay. Let's say I want to show you something. Okay, wait. I actually want to show you a recording so that you can understand well. Let's say I want to record it. So I will say start recording. It will actually start recording. All right. Now I will stop it. You can pause it also. Here you can see. And now you can actually stop recording. Now you can see it stopped recording. So you cannot actually remove it. You have to download it. Okay. And then select a folder. Then it will actually download in 2 parts. Separate audio and separate video. If you never select the audio, it will only show you the video. So that's it. And we have another option, and that is free video recorder, Windows, and here, yeah, this one. So you have to go with it, and you have to actually log in here. Otherwise it will not give you the permission. So you can at most you can download it, and then you can use it, and you can record only with 1080p, okay. So yes, you can do it, you can download it, you can use it. I will not do it because in my case actually I love to work with OBS. Here you can see. And in case, let's say I want only a specific portion from a screen, that time actually I use CapCut, because CapCut super easy. Yeah, that's it. I hope you understand. If this video is helpful for you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.